Hi, Landria here. I'm sure you know me by now. You probably saw me in an ad. You may know me from my YouTube channel. Maybe you saw me on CEO Money or some other news broadcast. And now I want to make myself available to you live this Saturday. Okay, every once in a while I'll have a webinar where I just want to get people live online with me so they can ask questions and we can just talk about what's going on currently. A lot of times you see these videos and things happen and change so quickly, and I want you to know exactly where I am in my business, how I got there, how this training can work for you, what can you do with it. It's so new to most of us. We don't even know what questions to ask. Well, I can share everything with you because I was in your seat at one point. I had no clue just how far I could take this. I just did know one thing. I knew it was our future. It is our present and our future. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's going to be a requirement for everybody, and you are on the cutting edge. You're here with me. So I am giving you in this email a link. It is limited seating, all right? So it's going to start at 9 a.m. on Saturday. That's Eastern time. There is a link down here. It's free. You just have to click on the link. I would suggest you get there maybe a couple minutes before 9 a.m. Once those seats fill up, that's it, until which time, if somebody does leave the room, somebody in the waiting room can come in. It's pretty cool. But you can go into the chat and ask me questions live. You can even pop out and we'll interact live. It's going to be a lot of fun. Give me about an hour with you, but I'll go over as long as we have to answer your questions. I really get excited about these because I love to interact with people. That's my passion. So I hope you join me this Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern. I will send out a reminder prior, and let's get it done. Let's help you to make a decision as to whether or not this is the pathway that you want to go down. I'll talk to you then. Take care.